BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectorial Technical and Economic Cooperation, EVM Electronic Voting Machine, VVPAT, Voter Verified Paper Audit Trail, NOTA, none of the above, NDA National Democratic Alliance, UPA United Progressive Alliance, PPP Public Private Partnership, RORO Roll On Roll Off, IPPB India Post Payment Bank, NRC National Register of Citizens, MOU Memorandum of Understanding, ODF Open Defecation Free, NGT National Green Tribunal, NEFRA National Financial Reporting Authority, SUFFER System of Air Quality and Weather Forecasting, NCRTC National Capital Region Transport Corporation, EFRRO E Foreigner Regional Registration Office, Darpan, Digital Advancement of Rural Post Office for a New India, RERA, Real Estate Regulatory Authority, LIFI, Light Fidelity, Spurti, Smart Bright Operation, Optimization and Real-Time Information, Scholarship for Promotion of Aptitude and Research in STEAM as a Hobby, ICANN, International Campaign to Abolish Nuclear Weapons, GSTN, Goods and Service Tax Network, VVPAT, Voter Verifiable Paper Audit Trail, GST, Goods and Service Tax, SAT, Sustainable Action for Transforming Human Capital, BHIM, Bharat Interface for Money, उदय, उज्ज्वल डिस्कॉम एश्योरेंस योजना, उड़ान उड़े देश का आम नागरिक, उजाला उन्नत ज्योति बाई अफोर्डेबल एलईडीज फॉर ऑल, मुद्रा माइक्रो यूनिट्स डेवलपमेंट एंड रीफाइनेंस एजेंसी, उस्ताद अपग्रेडिंग द स्किल एंड ट्रेनिंग एंड ट्रेडिशनल आर्ट या क्राफ्ट फॉर डेवलपमेंट, अमृत अटल मिशन फॉर रिजुविनेशन एंड अर्बन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, हृदय Heritage City Development and Augmentation, ISIS, Islamic State in Iraq and Al-Sam, Syria, NITI, National Institute for Transforming India, TRAI, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, IRDA, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, UIDAI, Unique Identification Authority of India, VAT, Value Added Tax, NOTA, none of the above, IMPS, Immediate Payment Service, UIDAI, Unique Identification Authority of India, VAT, Value Added Tax, NOTA, none of the above, IMPS, Immediate Payment Service, RTGS, Real Time Cross Settlement, NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer, IFSC, Indian Financial System Code, RTGS, Real Time Gross Settlement, NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer, IFSC, Indian Financial System Code, Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation, OROP, One Ring, One Pension, AAP, Aam Aadmi Party, IRCTC, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation, ASHA, ASHA, Accredited Social Health Activities, COBRA, Commando Battalion for Resolute Action, मनरेगा महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी एक्ट, IMEI इंटरनेशनल मोबाइल इक्विपमेंट आइडेंटिटी, SEBI सिक्योरिटीज एंड एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया, DRDO डिफेंस रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, NDB नेशनल डेवलपमेंट बैंक, CIC सेंट्रल इंफॉर्मेशन कमीशन, CNG compressed natural gas, DTH direct to home, NRI non resident Indian, FCNR foreign currency non resident account, FCNR foreign currency non resident account, CRR cash reserve ratio, SLR statutory liquidity ratio, MSF marginal standing facility, LAF liquidity adjustment facility, IPO initial public offering, NPA non performing assets, UPI unified payment interface, Spurti smart bright operation optimization and real-time information, scholarship for promotion of aptitude and research in STEAMs as a hobby, Sathi sustainable and accelerated adoption of efficient textile technology to help small industries, ICANN, International Campaign to Abolish Nuclear Weapons, GSTN, Goods and Service Tax Network.